Good day and welcome back to another episode of Hugo House. Today we're going to talk about the bi-century log cabin, Desert Lake Waterfront Farm in Canada. It doesn't get much better than this rustic bi-century log cabin building located in Verona, Ontario, Canada. The log cabin vacation rental can accommodate up to 4 guests, with 2 bedrooms, 2 beds, and 1 bathroom. During your vacation stay, you'll have the entire cabin building to yourself. This beautifully restored 200-plus-year-old log cabin building is located on a 200-acre waterfront farm with 2,000 feet waterfront on Desert Lake. This natural paradise is a true Canadian shield. The rustic cabin building has 1 double bed, 1 king-sized bed in the loft. There is a full kitchen, a 3-piece bath with a shower. The log house is a very private getaway. It is rare to have a private vacation rental with 200 acres of a waterfront farm with 2,000 feet of spectacular shoreline on Desert Lake. You can follow the horse trails through the pasture and woods. Enjoy walking through the trees that have graced the land for hundreds of years unspoiled. This is a true Canadian shield country. You'll want to bring along a compass and a camera. The log house is fully equipped for your vacation stay, available to rent all 4 seasons of the year. The log cabin building has a sleeping loft with a king-sized bed and 1 small main floor bedroom with an antique double brass bed. Linens and towels are available with the cabin rental and are cleaned and sterilized offsite after each guest visit. The rustic log cabin has an open concept kitchen, dining, living room with a wood stove. The cabin building is ideally suited for a couple. However, up to 4 people ideally, 2 couples can be easily accommodated. Wood is also provided free of charge. The log cabin building has extensive rear decking for outside dining in the warmer weather, plus a wraparound covered porch. The log cabin has a central heating system and air conditioning for year-round comfort. The log cabin building has modern appliances to include a stove, fridge, microwave, dishwasher, coffee maker, water cooler, electric water kettle, and a barbecue. The log cabin is amply furnished for the comfort of their guests of 1 to a maximum of 4 people. The cabin has a flat-screen 40-inch television with a Blu-ray player and a random assortment of DVDs. There is unlimited Wi-Fi access. Basic condiments such as salt, pepper, sugar, etc. are provided. When staying at the cabin building, you will have access to 2,000 feet of pristine and private waterfront on beautiful Desert Lake with 200 acres of forest and field for hiking and exploring. This is not a resort or campground. With much space, you will be sure to appreciate a very private time. The exclusive waterfront on Desert Lake has a large floating dock with ladders, and the water is very clean and great for swimming. In the warm weather, you'll want to bring along your boats, kayaks, canoes, or use the owners. They have a canoe and 2 kayaks and PFDs. If you have a motorized boat, there is a public boat launch that is just about 3 minutes down the road, near the Desert Lake campground, where Holford and Desert Lake intersect. You can get in the boats and explore Desert Lake, Birch Lake, Mitchell Creek, and Kingsford Lake, giving access by water to Frontenac Provincial Park. To access the private waterfront on the farm, you can drive or take a 5 or 10-minute walk on a very private lane. During the summer months, there are a few cows and horses on the farm property grazing on small pasture fields that are nestled among the trees. Most of the farm is of pristine Canadian shield forested terrain, interspersed with pasture. This location is a naturalist's delight. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. And also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes, to tiny homes, to vacation homes, and to other inspiring home ideas.